Hey everyone, today I will show you how to know who replayed your Snapchat story, and here's how it is done. Open Snapchat on your device. After posting a story, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Find your story, tap on the eye icon to check the views. While this shows how many people have viewed your story, it doesn't display who replayed it. To see who has replayed your story, exit this section and tap on the gear icon settings at the top right. Scroll down and select Snapchat Plus. Tap subscribe now. Snapchat Plus offers a feature called Story Rewatch, which allows you to see who has replayed your stories. You'll need to pay for this service. Choose a subscription plan, monthly or yearly, to unlock this feature. Once subscribed, you'll be able to track who has replayed your stories. And that is everything you need to know about how to know who replayed your Snapchat story. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.